Are you struggling with inefficiencies in your blister packaging process? Tired of costly changeovers and downtime? Or simply looking to enhance your Brite Stock manufacturing strategy for greater flexibility and efficiency? Tekpak Automation introduces its Blister-on-Edge in-tray module, a game changer in blister packaging logistics. Designed to optimize OEE and increase flexibility, our fully automatic system allows seamless integration with any high-speed blister line. Specifically developed for bulk blister handling and intermediate storage, our solution enables the efficient accumulation of large volumes, typically 100 to 150 plus blisters per tray, allowing high-speed blister lines to run continuously and enabling flexible repacking across lines or sites. Decouple your primary and secondary packaging lines, store blisters efficiently, and reduce downtime by up to 90%. All while accelerating time to market and achieving significant cost savings on materials and logistics. With processing speeds of up to 750 blisters per minute, our Blister-on-Edge in-tray module automatically stacks and loads blisters into horizontal trays, providing gentle precision handling that protects even the most delicate formats, such as alu-alu blisters. This innovative design eliminates pressure damage common in conventional vertical stacking systems. Moreover, our system provides fully automatic rapid size changes in just 2 minutes. Our system also automates tray formation, eliminating manual handling and further reducing labor costs while ensuring a continuous high-speed operation. As a fully modular and scalable solution, the Blister-on-Edge in-tray module adapts to your production needs, whether handling single-lane or multi-lane discharge from your blister machines. Flat tray blanks not only reduce packaging costs by up to 40%, but also optimize warehouse space, enabling better pallet stacking and reducing shipping costs by up to 50%. Supporting a wide range of blister formats, our solution allows manufacturers to delay final packaging, making it easier to adapt production to different market demands. With GAMP 5, 21 CFR Part 11, and EU Annex 11 compliance, our system meets the highest industry standards, ensuring full regulatory alignment for pharmaceutical and biotechnology applications. Whether integrating with your existing OEM equipment to enhance your current operations or providing a completely new blister packaging line, Tekpak Automation ensures a seamless and rapid transition from initial design through to final validation. The world's leading pharmaceutical companies trust Tekpak for flexible blister packaging and automation, whether it's blister stacking, nesting, cartoning, or robotic handling. Ask us about our proven high-performance solutions. Tekpak Automation, your partner for turnkey packaging solutions in the life sciences.